Anyway, guys, it's Samara Pizangvasele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday, happy festive season. Buy what you need, not what you want. Guys, please take care of yourself. We live in Cyril Ramaphosa economy. Things are so expensive. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Washa umayeni wati samke. Go and get your man uyeke ikesha. Guys, we all thought Usamke she's living a soft life. Uyena wife number 5, she's the last wife. We still remember ono Uthando Nesthembu season 8, Umusamseleko and Samke, they were busy loving each other, and we were like, yo, Usamke, she has finally replaced Makhumalo. Not when it comes to Musamseleko, guys. Umusamseleko, he doesn't care about anyone, guys. So on the next episode, Uthando Nesthembu Uncut, Usamke uyakhala, guys. Uthi Umusamseleko, he doesn't care about her, guys. So she had a pregnant photo shoot. Umusamseleko was supposed to be there. Musamseleko nowhere to be found. Dololo, guys. Usamke usasemncane 2000, so she expected Musamseleko to behave njengalabo guy balingana naye. Kanti Musamseleko is not gonna do that. Umusamseleko is a 50-year-old, guys. I think Usamke needs to understand ukuthi umshado wakhe ngeke uzofana nomuntu oshade nentanga yakhe, guys. So she just need to accept that and say ukuthi choose, khethile, there's nothing I can do. I just need to accept. It seems like things are not working well for Samke, guys. And she did post a picture namhlanje khombisa usemzumbe Christmas Eve, guys. Uyabuza ukuthi agcineni, you know, something like that. We can see it's a yellow house. Not sure which house Samke ahlala kuyona, but hopefully she has her own house, not Mayeni's house, not Mangwa, because it is alleged Tobile, Mayeni and Mangwa, they've moved out of Muzumbe, guys. They've now got themselves a new house in the suburb. Usamke no sne bona labahlele laphana eMzumbe. So we don't know what's going to happen. We're gonna find out on the channel Nesthembu Uncut. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Wednesday.